Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and waiting 5 to 10 minutes. This prevents airbag faults and electrical shorts. Next, use a plastic trim tool to pry off the outer trim pieces, work along edges to avoid cracking clips. Remove any visible screws with the correct driver and immediately label each fastener and its location. This saves time later. Once these steps are done, keep a magnet tray handy and photograph each area so you can reverse the process accurately. You continue by removing the glove box and center console panels to expose hidden fasteners, because most dashboards are held in place underneath. Carefully depress connector tabs and disconnect wiring for gauges, HVAC controls, and the infotainment unit. Label each plug as you go. Loop a nylon strap around the dash and secure it to a support so the weight is controlled while you remove the mounting bolts at the top and bottom. Once bolts are out, tilt the dash forward slightly and scan for any trapped connectors before extracting it. You finish by sliding the dashboard forward while watching for HVAC ducts, heater hoses, and any remaining wiring. These are the usual snag points. With 2 people, lift straight up using the straps and avoid twisting the assembly, because torsion can crack plastic mounting points. Once removed, set the dash on a padded surface to prevent scratches. If a connector refuses to come loose, apply a small amount of electrical contact cleaner, wait a moment, and wiggle gently. Force is what causes broken tabs, so be patient and deliberate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.